Hello, friends, I'm Pastor Tom, and today we unlock the treasure trove of the Pilgrim Preacher. Let's explore how this resource can revolutionize your ministry. Welcome to the Pilgrim Preacher, where timeless wisdom meets contemporary hearts. Whether you are an experienced pastor or a dedicated teacher, you have come to the right place. Ready to teach Bible lessons? Picture this: packaged lessons that resonate with your audience. Tested in both auditoriums and classrooms, our content ensures impactful teaching. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to what Reverend T. Hardy has to say. Wow! These are the best Bible outlines that I have seen. I have been teaching the Bible course to my adult class, and they can't get enough. I will make sure I teach this course at an upcoming conference. Examples of Bible lesson series include basic spiritual exercises, spiritual growth workout. Regular prayer and meditation can strengthen our faith and resilience. What plants can teach us? What plants mentioned in God's plan of the ages can teach us? Wonder Women of the Bible, 6 special women of the Bible teach us life and domestic skills. Rules of Bible interpretation, define terms, interpret within context, and examine the author's mind. The Tribulation Period. The Great Tribulation is a unique time of God's judgment and redemption. The tribulation leads to Jesus' return. And more Bible study series on offer. G. Muldoon writes, I have been a minister for 18 years. And I wish I had come across your outlines from the beginning. There have been times when I have struggled to compile messages, and they have not been as good as yours. I am won over. Be sure I will be recommending these courses to fellow ministers. Friends, whether it's main services, conferences, or midweek studies, we've got your back. Visit our website, explore our courses, and inspire your parishioners to greater heights of faith. Easy delivery, big impact. Imagine having lesson outlines that practically teach themselves. These meticulously crafted outlines are a breeze to deliver in the classroom. No more late night prep sessions, just grab your notes and go. Thank you for watching this video. Friends, don't miss it. Grab every book in this series and improve your teaching skills. The link is located directly in the description box. And hey, if you like this, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's travel together.